Unveiling the next generation professional tape lighting system from WAC. The InvisiLED Pro Plus Tape Light series from WAC Lighting builds on the foundation of our reliable tape system. Using our trusted, reliable plug-and-play pin connectors, we upgraded with COB LEDs to create seamless white continuous lighting to create a clean architectural look. InvisiLED Lite Plus, InvisiLED Pro Plus, and InvisiLED Pro 2 Plus are ideal for optimal accent and display lighting solutions. Seamless uniform illumination, delivered from a nearly invisible, low-profile source, is easy to install and connect. COB LEDs with a white phosphor silicone coating feature an appealing look, durability, and a 90+ CRI. This versatile tape system is offered in 5 color temperatures: 2200 Kelvin, 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 3500 Kelvin, and 4500 Kelvin. Illuminate every space with InvisiLED Pro Plus Tape Light. Visit waclighting.com/Pro Plus for more information.